Good morning once again. Now we will revise the chapter 4. So let's have quick revision. Be ready. What is the title of the chapter 4? Communities. Title is Communities. This is the title of the chapter 4. What is a community? A group of people living together in a particular area is called a community. It includes RWA, community centers, reading club, park. In this chapter we have to study these ones about the RWA, community centers, reading clubs, park, and what do we see in the community? We see teacher, school, park, people in the community. What is the full form of RWA? RWA full form is Resident Welfare Association. Resident Welfare Association. Here you have to remember the full form of RWA. What does RWA do? RWA takes care of the needs of the people living in a particular area. It works for the welfare of people of that particular area. It also maintains the cleanliness of that area, and it conducts regular meetings. In that meeting, they discuss about the issues of that area, and they also organizes events for the residents like Durga Puja, Holi, Diwali, and they also conduct social events like blood donation, eye checkup camps. Overall, the function of the Resident Welfare Association is to help people, take care of the people of that particular area, and any resident can be a member of the RWA and volunteer to help people. What do volunteers do? Volunteers they work for the welfare of the people. They help people. Now see, park. All of you know about the park? Where do you play? Play in the park. Park is a space where people play, read, and relax. And there are swings and slides where children play. People, they talk to their friends, they sit there, they read. They also practice yoga and exercise where? In the park. Community centers. See, community centers are found in neighborhood, and it provides space to celebrate different occasions. We need a space to celebrate different occasions with the people. And where do we celebrate? We celebrate in the community centers. It also provides space to conduct meetings. Sometimes we have to assemble together for the meeting. Then where can we assemble? we can assemble in the community centers because there is the large space, and this space, in this space also social activities are done like blood donation camps, sports and cultural events, because due to the large space, that's why we do such types of activity in the community centers. And social welfare club, so it works for the welfare of the people. It spreads awareness about the importance of the environment. It collects things, food items, clothes, toys and stationery for the needy, and it helps people. This one is the main work of the social welfare club. Now see, reading club. What do we do in the reading club? In reading club, people come together and read different books. People discuss about the books, they read books, they exchange their books with each other, and reading club also organizes activities like storytelling, poetry reading for children. So children, they love to read books in the reading club. They enjoy reading books in the reading club. Do you go to reading club to read books? You can go there to read books, different types of books. So this one is the quick revision of chapter 4. Now what you have to do in the chapter 4 for the examination? You have to learn the exercises and question answers from chapter 1 to chapter 4. See, from chapter 1 to chapter 4. Watch all the revision videos. Read chapter 1 to chapter 4 and understand all the concepts. You have to study like this way for the pre-midterm examination and be ready for the examination. So start your preparation. Do well in the examination. Best of luck for the examination. Thank you. Have a good one.